we are always surprised to find that 90% of the merchant statements we analyze have hidden fees and markups. While most business owners take great care to not overpay on taxes, few realize that the wrong payment processing can be just as costly. So with so much at stake, why do businesses still overpay on processing? Here are the 3 most common reasons why merchants are paying too much. The first reason is confusion on who the payment processor actually is. Most businesses believe that their bank is their payment processor. In rare cases, that's true, but most banks actually don't process payments, but simply resell another company's processing at a higher cost to you. We recommend asking your bank if they're the actual processor or a reseller, and you may be surprised by the response. The second most common reason is that flat rate per transaction pricing is just so much easier to understand. The problem, however, with this pricing structure is that it doesn't distinguish whether it's a debit card, credit card, or corporate card that's being used. Since debit cards and corporate cards often qualify for lower processing, the merchant loses out on tons of savings. The third reason is the merchant statements are very confusing. Have you ever tried to read your merchant statement? It's almost like reading in another language, right? With almost 150 line items, it's very easy for payment providers to bury hidden fees. We recommend having your merchant statement professionally reviewed. Now that you understand why businesses are overpaying on processing, you can do something about it.